Dear friends, you know very well what we mean by Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that if I am having a variable, this arrow mean variable, voltage source, and to this voltage source, if some external resistance is connected, this is resistance R. This resistor will draw the current from this voltage source. Let it is I. The resistor, it will draw current from this voltage source, and the voltage source is variable. You know, the current flowing, it depends. What is R? The value of R. Okay, and the current flowing also depends what is the voltage. That I equals to V upon R. Go on increasing this voltage, going up and up, increasing this voltage. Current increases exactly proportion wise. For a given resistor, if the R is fixed, this is fixed. Increasing V, I will increase. This is fixed. Increasing V, I will increase. As well as I is inversely proportional to R. I directly proportional to V. Directly proportional mean increasing V, I will increase. I is inversely proportional to R mean when the R decreases, I increases. Mean if this resistance is low, then it will draw more current. If the resistance is high, then it will draw less current from the source. This is what the Ohm's law is. Now coming here, this is a water tank, and there is some height of the, this level, water level from the ground. And this is called pressure head. You know very well, pressure is H rho G. It depends upon the height. So there is a pipe and water is flowing. Okay? And water is flowing means rate of flow of water. You compare the Ohm's law, V is equals to IR, with this example. What do you think? Let I give a hint. The pressure head, if I call this pressure head, is like voltage. Mean there is more pressure, the level is more high from the ground, mean more pressure, mean more voltage. Then you tell me in the comments box, you explain what about the current here? Do you say the water which is flowing, the rate of flow of water, it is the current? And if the rate of flow of water is the current, then what is its dependence? Is it depend upon the height of the water level from the ground? Is the rate of flow of water depend this opening of the pipe? I mean, this is of lesser in size, in area of cross section. Then what about the rate of flow? If the bigger area of cross section of the pipe, then what about the rate of flow? This is the problem which you discuss in the discussion box. Okay, in the comments box.